Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to your Cash App account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account, go ahead and use your Cash App PIN or your email address and your password to log into your account. Now, after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you will be shown all of the funds that you have within your Cash App account. Now, from this page, if you wish to link your bank account to your Cash App, you might see the notification pop up when you open up your app automatically. But if you don't, then you can tap on your account icon at the top right corner to access your account page. From this page, scroll down and you will find linked banks. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can use Link Debit Card in order to link your bank account using your debit card. From this screen, you can simply enter your debit card number followed by the expiration month and a year. Then type in the 3-digit CVV code followed by your zip code, and then tap on the Link Card button. If you don't have a card, you can tap on No Card to access an external link from which you can directly link your bank account. Tap on the Continue button and provide your bank account information. And after you provide all of your information and your information has been verified, your bank will successfully be linked with your Cash App account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your bank account onto your Cash App. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.